After the love note, we have the Go Love Yourself magazine. Super glossy. Oh, it's like really thick and has a lot of content. Guess I'm reading that over lunch. Woo! Followed by a poster. Smash through your doubts. I like this. Simple, colorful. It can go right over there. So in the magazine, they actually have a what's in the box as well as they give you background information. So the magazine is Smash Through Your Doubts print by Naomi Fogden. And yeah, I like that. And here's the rest of the stuff we got. I already have a 30-minute coaching session set up for today, actually. So I'm really excited to see how that goes. So then we have Let That Shit Go wine glass. And this is a Go Love Yourself exclusive. So that's actually pretty cool. Glass is like thick and I appreciate that. And it's a 9-ounce taster, so limits me from drinking too much. Amen. Ooh, then we got Pep Talk postcards. And it's just, oh my gosh, they're just so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love these. So the main part of the Go Love Yourself box is the book. So it's kind of like a book club, but it's all about self-improvement. So this month is The Secret Thoughts of Successful Women, which is a pretty hefty book, but it's beautiful. I love books, dude. Then it comes with a workbook that is made by the Go Love Yourself box, which just helps you retain knowledge, and it like asks you questions, like going through, just to help you like understand what you're doing better. And then it also comes with a nice Q&A. I missed the Q&A already because I'm a little bit delayed and puppy dog, but they record all of them, so you can actually watch them. And last but not least is Boom Mic Drop Chocolate. It's like a card that comes with sea salt caramel dark chocolate, and it's handmade, so that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna definitely eat this on my cheat meal day. Yes, yes, yes. In case I was not clear earlier, each box comes with a 30-minute coaching session based on the topic. So this month's topic is on imposter syndrome, like feeling like you don't belong even if you are qualified. You feel like you're the one person that's like lying and like you can't do your job well or your life well, and someday someone's gonna find out. And yeah, so there's like 3 different coaches you could choose from, and you have a 30-minute coaching session. You talk about your worries and stuff like that. And it's pretty cool because you get one of these every month based on the topic. Like last month was sex and relationships, so they had like sex therapists and like healthy self-love coaches and stuff like that. I don't know next month's theme yet, but really excited.